So I put the RXTX on the trailer, pulled the drain plugs, water started coming out, a lot of water. I got it home, I pulled the engine access cover, and I'd found that the engine's siphoned brake delete hose had parted from the hose coming from the manifold. What's up everybody, welcome back to Life Afloat. When I installed the RIVA Free Flow exhaust, power filter kit, siphon delete kit, and catch can, the hose on that kit came completely off and I had no idea until I had stopped riding. And I had no idea what had come apart until I got home when I was able to pull the engine access cover off. And then I found that the engine's, that siphon delete hose had parted and was allowing water to pour directly into the hull. So the hull was filling up and we were sinking. Luckily we were able to get it on the trailer and pull that before anything bad had happened and the water had been ingested by the engine. This one's probably on me. When I installed the kit, I thought I double checked all the hose clamps and made sure everything was tight, and possibly I might have missed one, or there was enough force in that water to blow that hose off. I was able to fix it by putting the hose back on, putting the clamp on, retightening it. I also went over and tightened all the other clamps that I could reach to make sure that I hadn't missed any more, because we definitely don't want this to happen again. I also want to mention about the factory bilge kit, the accessory Sea-Doo bilge pump installation. That will not keep up with that hose. That thing was pumping out for quite a while after I pulled the ski out. And it comes out about the size of a pencil. So I'm going to install a higher flow bilge pump that could possibly keep up a little bit. And because of the way the water's blowing out through the nozzle, you don't see that it's pumping anything out while you're riding it. So that's the story. The hose came off while riding. The hull filled with water. The bilge couldn't keep up, and I only discovered it after I'd pulled the ski out of the water. If any of you have had any issues with the RIVA siphon brake delete kit, hoses come apart after you've worked on it. I've seen other videos where it has happened and skis have actually sunk. Luckily we didn't sink. But if you've had any of these issues before, drop a comment and let me know what you did to fix it and stop this from happening again. What could have been a really bad day turned out to be not so bad, and hopefully it's just an easy fix and we can get back out there right away and do some more riding. Thanks for watching.